Hey everyone, in this quick tech how-to video, I'm going to show you how you can now add an About Me bio to your Discord profile. This is a new and welcome update that's been rolling out to Discord users, but like most features, is really catered towards the desktop version. It can be done on the mobile app, but you just have to use your mobile web browser to do it and not inside of the app itself. To get started, open and make sure that you're on the latest Discord update. Do this by choosing Discord on the top left menu and then hitting check for updates. Once you're on the latest version, tap the settings gear on the bottom left of your screen. Inside of here, you'll now see user profile with a new icon next to it. Choose that and you'll be taken to your profile edit page. At the top, you can change or remove your avatar, and if you're a Nitro subscriber, you can add a profile banner. And now, under that, you have the About Me section. Add your bio that you want on your profile and preview it on the right. When you're done and ready to publish, hit Save Changes at the bottom. Your profile will then be updated and will now include the About Me bio section. And that's how you get and add About Me to your Discord profile using the desktop app. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more quick tech how-to videos.